Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to lock the screen without pressing the power button on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the home screen. Now from here, just tap on settings. Now from here, tap on more. Now from here, just enable double tap to lock screen. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now from here, tap on done. Now from here, once you double tap on the screen, it will turn off the screen. Now double tap it to turn it back on. Just like that. Now the second method to lock the screen without pressing the power button, just swipe down to open the control center. Now from here, just tap on lock screen. Now, if you cannot find the lock screen option on your control center, just tap on edit. Now from here, just drag the lock screen option to your control center. Now once you do that, just tap on done. Now from here, you can tap on lock screen to turn off the screen without pressing the power button. And this is how you can lock the screen without pressing the power button on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.